Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a personal experiment going carb-free for 30 days. Yep, you heard right, no bread, no pasta, no sugar. Curious about what happens when you ditch carbs completely? Stick around and I'll take you through the journey. Let's kick things off by understanding what carbs actually do. Carbohydrates are our body's main energy source. Cutting them out? It means our body has to find energy elsewhere, primarily fats. Week 1 was, honestly, a shock to the system. I felt sluggish, a bit foggy, and oh, the cravings. They call it the keto flu, and it's no joke. My body was screaming for a slice of pizza, but I stuck to it. By the end of week 2, something amazing happened. My energy levels began to stabilize. I wasn't just running on fumes anymore. My body was adapting, using fats for fuel, which, guess what, it's quite efficient at. I started feeling more energetic than before. Now here's where it gets interesting. Week 3, my workouts. They were on another level. I was lifting heavier, running longer. The lack of carbs didn't seem to bother me anymore. Plus, I noticed my body started looking leaner. By day 30, the results were in. Not only did I lose some weight, but my blood sugar levels were stable, my digestion was better, and my mind felt clearer than ever. It was like a fog had lifted. But it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. A no-carb diet can be tough on the body in the long run. Nutrient deficiencies, mood swings, and long-term sustainability are real concerns. So, would I recommend going carb-free? It's not for everyone. But if you're considering it, definitely talk to a health professional first. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently. Thanks for sticking with me on this carb-free journey. If you're curious about more health experiments or need tips on living a healthier life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. Catch you in the next one.